Hey Squad, welcome back to my channel, Mary Maxine, the girl with the kinks and the curls.
Tell me how you want it. Coming up, brother in the casket. Tell me how you want
it. In today's video, I'm coming to y'all looking a little dusty crusty in the intro, and it's because I want to take y'all from start to finish on how I create my high puffs. As you can see, my hair is it's not looking too well. Like, it could be, it's not bad. Like when I tell you it's not bad, but it could be better. So in today's video, I'm going to show y'all how I like fix up my hair when it's not looking the best that it can look. Before we jump into this video, if you like this video, please be sure to leave a thumbs up. Also leave a comment in the comment section letting me know if you love wearing high puffs. I don't know if it's just me, but I love a good high puff. Like, I feel like I'm in charge. Like, my hair is just standing tall and I'm just like fierce with their fierce. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Wednesday at 6 p.m. You don't want to miss out on those videos, so be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on that post notification bell so that you are notified every time a new video goes out. Last but not least, if you are not following me on Instagram and TikTok, my name on Instagram and TikTok is at Kinky Curly Mary. I want y'all to follow me on Instagram as well as TikTok. I just jumped into the TikTok game, so you know I'm learning or whatever, but it's honestly so fun and I just want to try like different things out, like hair related of course, because you know that's my niche. But follow me on TikTok and Instagram. And yeah, without any further ado, we're just gonna hop in the video so y'all can see how I transform my hair. Okay, so first what I'm going to do is definitely take off my scarf. My hair, this is day 5. Oh, this looks crazy. Oh wow, this is wow. But this is day 5 hair, I believe. Yeah, day 5 hair, so mousse wash and go. And honestly, like if I fluffed my hair out, I probably could get it to, you know, do its thing or whatever, but I'm honestly over this wash and go. And I want to try something like new products that I ordered. So I am going to be doing that. It's time to get this puff on and popping because I do have some errands that I'm trying to run. Honestly, I have been like nervous to go outside, but I just selected my giveaway winners and I want to make sure that I ship out their products in time just because like this is very important to me. But like going outside is honestly a mission for me and I don't know how I feel about it. Okay, so first what I'm going to be doing is taking my spray bottle from Curl Mix and I'm just going to lightly damp my hair. I don't want my hair soaking wet because I just find that it's harder to manipulate my hair when it's like really, really wet. So I like to just like literally. And what's cool about this spray bottle is you see like how I just like went shh and I went shh. I'm literally doing the same to the back. And then what I like to do is just like push the water throughout my hair. Like I know this sounds like crazy, but this is like how I do my high puff. So then next up I like to go in with my brush. This brush is really old and really dusty. It's time to get a new one, but beauty supply stores are closed. And yes, I could get it off of Amazon, but it's not the same. Honestly, I like getting all of my stuff from the beauty supply store. So there's that. So right now what I'm doing is just brushing my hair into the direction that I want it to basically lay in when I do my high puff. So, and it's really honestly smooth from the mousse. Like my hair is just like, do you see that? So next what I'm going to do is go in with my handy dandy Wetline Extreme. I have the this is the new one. I have the big bottle. I got this bottle or container. It's not a bottle. Okay, but I got this container a couple of months ago and it's honestly been lasting me. I love this gel. It's so affordable. It smells good. It works really well with my hair. So right now what I am doing is just taking a little bit of that gel and just applying it to the front part of my hair. I want my hair to be nice and smooth, so front part of my hair. Basically push it up in the direction that I want my hair to go, like I told y'all. I'm gonna put a little bit more. And now that the gel is nice and on my hair, what I'm going to do is go in with my brush again, just to get my hair really smooth. Smooth. And now I am starting to form my puff. I'm gonna see like how high I want it and stuff. I think this is honestly a great honestly, like, I can't wait for my hair to like really grow so I can do like cute styles. Like, one of the styles I want to do is like a cute like ponytail, like a banded it's gonna look so good. Next, what I'm gonna do is take my scrunchie. This is honestly a great scrunchie. It came in a pack of like 10 or 12, so I can't run out of that. I'm gonna take it, and I'm not going to wrap it around my hair. What I'm actually doing is sliding it down my hair, because now what I'm going to do is pull it up and start to shape the puff that I want. So just pushing it. And honestly, like, I think I could, okay, that's good. Nice shape, okay. All right, let me see, you gotta work on the back a little bit more. And honestly, when it comes to puffs, like, it's up to your discretion. Like, I definitely like to play around with my puffs, just cause like, I don't know, like sometimes I feel like a different type of like vibe or look. So today I just want my puff to look like fuller. So of course I'm gonna leave the band like a little like further up instead of push back, if that makes any sense. So my band is nice and secure. And now it's time for edges. Like, one thing that I can say when it comes to high puffs is that my edges, I like my edges to be, you know, nice and together. I am not the best when it comes to doing edges at all. Like, I try, but it's not like, you feel me? But I'm gonna do it for y'all. To do my edges today, I do have this edge brush, and I also have this Baskin Bloom Watermelon Seed Edge Pomade, and it says this is a healthier way to smooth the roots and edges. I honestly love this edge control, and I've been using it ever since they sent it to me. I use a lot of it, honestly, and I'm gonna have to get more, but I don't know, I really like this edge control. So right now what I'm doing is trying to like wisp out like my little baby hairs. You can see it starting to like come out. Aha! You can see it. But I'm starting to like pull out my baby hair, and I'm also going to like take my edge brush and kind of like, because I want them to come out. I don't want them to hide like their hair to, you know, do their thing or whatever. So, boom. Next, what I'm gonna do is start to apply the edge control. Get it nice and laid. And honestly, do not leave your edges like this. I've seen people do their edges like this and it looks atrocious. And I start to create a swoop. So that's my first swoop. That's my first one. Go in again and create another swoop. And sometimes my hair just doesn't want to cooperate, so I use the comb part, and the comb part definitely helps when it comes to creating a nice little swoop or whatever. Like I told y'all, I am not the best when it comes to laying edges, but I did try. So next what I'm gonna do is take my cotton scarf. This is a cute little Guyanese scarf. I'm Guyanese if you didn't know. So I'm going to take that and put it on my edges just so my hair could lay. And I'm gonna keep this on my edges for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so it's been about like 10-15 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is take off my scarf. Ow, I just put it in my eye. And this is what my puff is looking like, honestly. Isn't this nice? It looks so nice. Honestly, I'm just When I'm having a bad hair day, my go-to is a high puff because like, look at this. Look, let me get some B-roll for you real quick before we even get into like how good this looks. Okay, now we can actually tuck. Honestly, like this style, this is my go-to style when my hair doesn't look as great as I want it to, or I'm trying to stretch out my wash day. So I definitely recommend you trying out a high puff if you're trying to like spice up your hair and you're not trying to particularly just wash your hair. But that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the commentary. I decided that I was gonna make like a little more like calmer type of video where I just like talk to y'all every step of the way instead of doing a voiceover, just so y'all can get used to my voice, number one, and just so it's like a conversation, kind of like in my head it's conversation, but not really, but it kind of is, but you get the point. But I hope y'all like this video, and if you want to see more videos where I actually talk more instead of doing voiceovers, let me know and I will definitely do that for you. I have nothing but time to do it anyway, so you feel me, like I do it for you. If you like this video, please be sure to leave a thumbs up. Also leave a comment in the comment section letting me know if you like high puffs. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Wednesday at 6 p.m. so you don't want to miss out on that video. Last but not least, if you are not following me on Instagram or TikTok, please be sure to follow me on both platforms. My name on both platforms is at Kinky Curly Mary. I definitely want to, like I mentioned in the intro of the video, get like really into TikTok and stuff like that. So definitely follow me so you can see my antics and whatnot. But yes, thank you so much. Until next time, M Squad, peace and love always. Bye, y'all.